Hi guys, hope you're enjoying the quarantine. Today we're going to be working on Lab 7, which is similar to Lab 4. If you'll think back to then, we were using the Cognition Lab software to do some human performance experiments, and we're going to continue with that today. We're going to be doing 3 different experiments today. In your Husky email, you should already have an email from participate@cognitionlab.com. When you're ready to go to the lab, please open this link in either Chrome or Firefox. It does not work as well in Internet Explorer. Remember from Lab 4 that we were closing all the other tabs in Windows and also using the full screen mode to reduce distractions. While we're not in a classroom environment, it still might be helpful to do this, as well as turning down the lights in whatever area you're doing the lab in, because that might help reduce distractions as well. And then remembering from Lab 4 as well, every time you complete an experiment, you have this button, download raw data in the CSV format, and please make sure you're doing that after every experiment, because otherwise you'll have to go back and do more work. So in Lab 7 in the packet, please read through that before starting the experiment. It has some important information, and it'll give you some background about what we're going to be doing in this lab. Because we're in the online format, all of the team members are going to perform the lab and then also keep notes to be submitted. This is different than what we did in Lab 4, where we had observers and test subjects. Everyone's going to be test subject, and then everyone's going to be kind of their own observer. And this is why it's important to read through the lab packet, because you'll be able to think about what information you should be collecting or thinking about while you're doing the experiment. And then all the team members are going to compile their data together and complete the lab right up as a team. You can use whatever online collaboration tool you like. Microsoft Teams or Google Drive would be ones that I might suggest, but anything that works for you guys. So we're going to do 3 different experiments today: fixed memory search, variable memory search, and then pictorial memory search. They're going to be in order, so you'll have that email from participate@cognitionlab.com, and that'll bring you to the fixed memory search. And once you do the fixed memory search experiment and download the data, you'll get another link in your Husky email that's the variable memory search. So you can close out of that window, go back to your email, and then click on the link for variable memory search, and then same thing for the pictorial memory search after that. And remembering, after each experiment, we want to save the results data file, and remembering to read through the lab packet and then refer to it as you go through the lab. Also, researchers for this report, there's Sternberg and Stroop. Those are posted on Blackboard, and I think Professor Yeagle will talk a bit more about that, but that's also in the lab packet for your reference. And then remembering, if you remember from Lab 4, that the big thing about our Cognition Lab is that we're trying to be both fast and accurate. And so kind of weighing that trade-off between getting everything right and not going as quickly, or going really quickly and not getting everything right. Please let me know if you guys have any questions. My email address is rose.r@husky.neu.edu. So if you face any technical challenges or just have questions, please let me know. Thanks so much and enjoy.